If things aren't working out with the women you meet, and you want to know why, here are 30 things that are secretly driving them away. Stop making these mistakes and start making better impressions. Patiently go through the list to know how many of the points you are guilty of. We'll like you to tell us your thoughts and experiences in the comments section. Let's go into the points. 1. Lack of confidence. Women love a man who's sure of himself. If you're always second-guessing, you're losing her interest. Be confident, but not cocky. 2. Being too available. When you're always around, it's no longer exciting. Women like men who have their own lives and goals. 3. Ignoring personal hygiene. Bad hygiene isn't just unattractive, it's disrespectful. Always stay fresh, clean, and well-groomed. 4. Being a nice guy too often. Being nice is good, but don't let her walk all over you. Set boundaries and stand up for yourself. 5. Chasing validation. Constantly seeking her approval shows insecurity. Focus on your own worth instead of begging for hers. 6. Over-complimenting. Compliments should be genuine, not excessive. Women can see through fake praise. 7. Playing games. Stop trying to be mysterious or keep her guessing. Games don't build trust. Honesty does. Mystery comes naturally, not by playing games. 8. Not taking initiative. Don't wait for her to make decisions all the time. Take the lead in the relationship and show her you're a man of action. 9. Oversharing too soon. Dumping your emotions too early is overwhelming. Let her get to know you before going deep emotionally. 10. Lack of ambition. A man without a clear goal is a man without direction. Women want someone who has vision and ambition. 11. Being too clingy. Women appreciate space. Don't smother her with constant texts or demands for attention. Let things breathe. 12. Not listening. When you don't listen, you show you don't care. Women want a man who's engaged and attentive. 13. Not having a sense of humor. Life is hard, and laughter is a great way to connect. Don't be too serious. Let her see you can laugh at yourself. 14. Being overly critical. Constant criticism makes her feel worthless. Instead of pointing out flaws, offer support and encouragement. 15. Lack of emotional intelligence. Women appreciate men who understand their emotions. If you can't pick up on her feelings, it's a huge turnoff. 16. Being too self-centered. Make sure you're not always talking about yourself. Relationships are about give and take. Show interest in her life. 17. Not being present. When you're distracted or always looking at your phone, it's a sign you don't value her. Give her your full attention. 18. Not showing appreciation. A simple thank you goes a long way. Women want to feel valued, so show her that you're grateful for her. 19. Being disrespectful. Disrespect in any form, whether it's belittling, ignoring boundaries, or speaking poorly of others, is a deal breaker. 20. Being too needy. A woman doesn't want to feel like your whole world revolves around her. Find fulfillment outside of the relationship. 21. Being passive. Women want a man who takes action, not someone who just waits for things to happen. Be proactive in life and love. 22. Not being honest. Lying or withholding the truth erodes trust. Be upfront and honest about who you are and what you want. 23. Being overly protective. While it's good to be caring, being too protective can make her feel smothered. Let her have her space and independence. 24. Not communicating clearly. If you don't express what you want or need, how is she supposed to know? Clear communication is key. 25. Always seeking attention. Desperation for attention is a turnoff. Be secure in yourself and don't seek validation at every turn. 26. Talking about your ex. Constantly bringing up your past relationships makes her feel like she's in competition. Focus on the present, not the past. 27. Not being supportive. When she needs support, be there. If you can't be her rock during tough times, she'll start pulling away. 28. Being unpredictable. While mystery can be attractive, inconsistency in behavior and moods makes her unsure. Be steady and reliable. 29. Overanalyzing. If you're constantly trying to figure her out or questioning every action, you're creating unnecessary tension. 30. Not having boundaries. Respecting personal space and emotional boundaries is crucial. Without them, a relationship becomes toxic. If you want to attract and keep the woman you desire, stop making these mistakes. And also focus on building your life to becoming the best version of yourself. If you are pleased with this channel and want more contents like this, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let's build a community of high-value men who dominate every area of life. Thanks for watching to the end. See you in our next video.